Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the midst of our Operation Organization series, and today we are going to be talking about digital storage. Now, I've been a photographer for like 7 or 8 years, a while, but I also have digital storage stuff for everything because I feel like everybody does, whether it's our children's pictures, our videos, our phone storage, documents, all the things. I feel like I have gotten pretty good at organizing all this stuff only because I have to, because I have so much of it. So I wanted to show you guys how I store everything, whether it's on Google Drive, an external hard drive, or anything like that, and then how I access stuff and how my brain likes to organize things so that I can find literally anything whenever I want. So let's pop over and see how I organize all of my digital content. Alrighty guys, we are going to gather all of our devices. You know what I'm talking about, all of your devices. Your old phones, your old cameras, camcorders, all the things. This one's not even that old. I have an older one. But you're going to get them all together and we're going to get the memory off of them. This is important because if your house were to get into a fire or something, you wouldn't want all of these devices to have all your memories on them. So if you have not exported them, I suggest exporting them. So you're going to need a way to connect your computer to your devices. I have this dongle, that's literally what it's called, to import mini SD cards and all the things. So get your SD cards out of your old phones. Shout out to this awesome phone that has bling all over it. I'm pretty sure I glittered and Mod Podged it too. DIY life. All right, anyways, so get your small SD cards out. You can get a regular SD card that fits your small ones in, but you're gonna wanna get the stuff off your current camera, your current phone, your spouse's phone. What we're doing is getting all of our files into one spot. And I recommend a couple different things. Look at this phone though, okay? So literally, find all your devices, get them together. If anything, keep them all in a bag or somewhere where you could just grab them if your house were to get on fire or something. Because if you haven't gotten all your digital files into one area, then it's important. So let's do it. All right, so I recommend getting it onto your computer and an external hard drive. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use external hard drives and an online backup system. So I have 2 external hard drives. I have a large one for videos and filming backups and personal photos. And then I also have all of my personal videos backed up on another one. This one that says videos is all personal home videos. So I keep those super safe in a spot where I can just grab them. So we're going to get all of our photos to our computer. Whether it's on your new phone, you can just airdrop them if you have that capability, or you can transport them. And you can also upload them to your online server as well. We're going to be using Google Drive for mine, but you want all of your photos, like literally every photo on your phone, every photo on your spouse's phone. You want them on your computer or your external hard drive. Then you're going to get all your memory cards, and you're going to get those on there as well. And then once we have everything on our external hard drive, we are also going to upload it to somewhere cool like Google Drive or Dropbox or somewhere online. So if, heaven forbid, something were to happen to your house and your external hard drives were not accessible, you also have them online. I definitely recommend Google Drive. It's super easy. It's incorporated with a lot of places that you can make cool stuff. And then organizing everything by year and then by month. We're gonna get into that in a second. I keep everything organized by year, by month, and I'm gonna show you that I'm not fully there, but I do have every single photo I own on my computer or my Google Drive. Okay, so now that we're on my external hard drive, I'm gonna show you how I organize my external hard drive. What I do is I have personal photos and videos, and then I typed out a folder for every single year, starting from the year we're in all the way back. I do have 1986 to 2002 because that was pre-digital age, and that's actually one of my goals, is to get everything that was on paper scanned or put into this file right here. So I do have like common things on here as well, like pictures of me and Dustin, or my girls' professional photo shoots that I've done with them and edited, but for the most part I try to keep everything organized by the year. So these are all photos of pre-digital age that I've either taken pictures of or scanned, so lots of pictures of me when I was a kid or my old animals, things like that, that hopefully one day we can do a video on how we get these all into a photo book. Super easy. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with the current year and work our way backwards. And this is where I'm at. I think I started this in like 2016, and I did like 2016 and 2015. But since we're in 2019 now, I'm going to work my way backwards until I get to where I already did, and then I'll skip those and work from there. And the reason we start with the most current year is it's the easiest to remember. This is where I stopped, February of 2018, so I will have to work back from April 2019 all the way back to, the ending of 2018. But you can see that I literally just dump everything and anything at the end of the month, and this is where I was in 2018. At the end of each month, I was used to getting photos and videos off of my phone and off of Dustin's phone and getting them into files. They don't have to be super organized, they just have to be in one area where I can look back and go, okay, if I can remember what year that was in and I can slightly remember the time of the year, I can find the photo and or the video. So you can see in 2017, I got all my videos and photos into the year, but I did not get them all organized by the month. I got them generally organized, and then I had a couple other categories like Africa and things like that, and family photos. So if I got like professional family photos done, I just put those in their own category. Or a trip to Cabo, things like that. You can put those in the months if you'd like, if you can always remember when you went there. But again, I recommend, some bigger categories like that, and then your January through December for sure. It'll help you find everything, and then once you get this step done, we will work on some other fun things. But here's 2016. It looks like I got some of this year done. But also another tip for naming your files is name them 1-January, 2-February, 3-March, and then when you organize them by name, they'll go in order. So we have lots of photos to organize, but this is definitely the steps I recommend to take before you get to any of your photo scrapbooking and things like that. Get them where they want. And I can still scrapbook with all these photos the way that they are, but I can slowly go in and just kind of move photos, be like, okay, I remember that this was this month. I'm just gonna batch grab these and throw them into that month. It doesn't really take a long time, but it is important that we have them all in one area and accessible. All right, I hope this helped you, and you can start on your operation organization with me, and make sure to follow the rest of the series so that we can get our lives organized. Bye guys.